Hey guys, today's recipe is really simple but really good. We're going to whip up a smoothie bowl using the Vibe blender. If you're into smoothies or smoothie bowls, then the Vibe blender is going to be your best friend. It can turn all of your ingredients into the smoothest puree in a matter of seconds, so making your favorite breakfasts are always quick and easy. This smoothie bowl is going to feature all of the good things. It's going to be tropical, chocolatey, nutty, and healthy. Before we mix that up though, we'll get our toppings ready so that we can serve it straight away. You can put whatever you like on top of a smoothie bowl, things like bananas or nuts, coconut, chia seeds, extra nut butters or cacao nibs. For my smoothie bowl today, I'm going to go with some banana, some cacao nibs, some coconut, and some macadamia nuts. To whip up our smoothie bowl, I'm going to add 1 cup of almond milk straight to the blender jug. You could use any milk you like. This recipe is going to be enough for 2 people, and if there's any leftovers, then they can go into the fridge for the next day. Next in, we've got 2 frozen bananas that we've cut up into chunks, 2 frozen mango cheeks chopped up as well, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, or any nut butter of your choice, 1 heaped tablespoon of cacao powder, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey or maple syrup. Once you've got all of your ingredients in the blender jug, pop the lid back on and we can blend it on smoothie mode for around 40 seconds. In just 40 seconds, the texture of our smoothie has come out so smooth, so perfect. It's ready to be served up into your bowls, decorated with all of your toppings. Make it as pretty as you like, and then go ahead and enjoy it. Don't forget, if you haven't already, to hit subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed it. Tell us about your ultimate smoothie bowl creations in the comments section below. Head over to the blog to see more recipes and other tips and tricks on how to use your Luvele appliances at home. And we'll see you again next week for another Luvele Life recipe.